Hello everyone, welcome back to Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here we are with part 16, okay? Today's principle is all about blame, okay? That people naturally have, it says to shed your fault-finding tendencies, like to take that out of your life, to really get rid of your need to find blame and place this on other part. And he also quotes our good old buddy James Allen here on... let's see, what's the quote exactly? Come on, me, I can remember this. Circumstances don't make the man, they reveal him unto himself. This idea is huge. I believe this one, I'm trying to remember the exact book this one comes from, but is it As a Man Thinketh? I want to say it's As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. I could be off on that, so look me up on that one. But As a Man Thinketh is a wonderful, wonderful book, okay? Just definitely read that book. It's worth your time. And it's also pretty short. It's only like 40 minutes on YouTube. But back to this principle. Here we are with part 16. This, like, get rid of blame. So he's talked about this one before. He has a wonderful thing on the How to Be a Millionaire, like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire show example of this kind of principle of how blame is the $1,000 level where you're walking away with something, basically. And he's saying shed blame, get rid of blame. If you haven't seen his work there, definitely check it out because it's amazing. Trust me on that one. And so he's saying, don't blame other people. You're going to live your life. The choices you make are really going to make your life. And accept responsibility for everything in your life. Because when you put responsibility on somebody else, then they have to fix it, basically. Or you expect them to fix it, so you don't fix it yourself. If you just blame, oh, it's my mother's fault, it's my father's fault, it's my friend's fault, my girlfriend, whoever, if you just say it's their fault that this thing happened, as soon as you blame them, it's now their responsibility to fix it. But if you put it onto your responsibility of, like, I say, just like, let go, just say, my choices have brought me here, and I'm going to make the best of it, and I'm going to fix it. I think that's basically his idea here. Just shed the need to blame. Just get rid of it. I'm going to do a special video on this idea of just blame anyway, but that's basically the idea with this one. Shed your fault-finding tendencies. Just accept that your choices make you, and the circumstances just reveal the kind of person you are to yourself. So that's about it for this video. Thank you, everybody, for watching. I will see you guys next time with part 17, so stay tuned. Mosquito. Stay tuned.